Here's the fastest way to make $100 a day online. Even if you're starting from zero, no fluff, no scams, just a real method that works in 2025. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Pick a high payout platform. Start with something like Reward XP or Free Cash, platforms that pay for tasks, offers, and referrals. These sites offer points that convert to PayPal cash, crypto, or gift cards, and the payout threshold is low. You can earn $5 to $10 fast, even as a new user, but that's just the beginning. Step 2. Stack tasks plus referrals. Here's the key. Don't just complete tasks, refer others. Most users skip this part, but referrals are where the real income happens. Each time someone signs up with your link and earns, you get paid too, passively. To boost your referrals, share your link in Reddit side hustle threads, comment on YouTube videos related to money apps, post in Facebook groups or Discord servers, add it to Linktree bios or your YouTube Shorts descriptions. This can snowball quickly into $50, $100 days, even if your own task earnings are small. Step 3. Automate with content. Create short, helpful content around the site, like how I made $50 using site name or best tasks on Free Cash. You can do this with free screen recordings, voiceovers, or even just text overlays. Then upload those clips as YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or Pinterest Pins. This brings in ongoing views and more referrals, even while you're offline. You don't need to be a creator. You just need consistency. Step 4. Cash out and scale. Most platforms pay within 24-72 hours. Once you get that first payout, repeat what worked. Try promoting on new platforms, tweaking titles, or stacking multiple earning sites together. As your links grow, so does your passive income. Final thoughts. Making $100 a day online isn't about luck. It's about leveraging traffic, stacking referrals, and staying consistent. Most people give up too early, but if you follow this simple system, you can build real income faster than you think. And the best part? You can start today for free.